Dirty Side gets technical. We may not know everything, but our stuff almost always works sometimes.
Hey look, you're all back from where Dirty Side gets down. Back for a little more tech today. And, something kind of simple, swapping injectors and a Holley Terminator X Stealth. It's the same as a sniper, so we'll cover that here. And this is going to be upgrading injectors. The process is the same for replacing bad injectors or anything like that. But we're pulling out the 100-pound injectors and putting some 120 pounds in there. A little more flow. This customer wants to run E85, so a little extra volume of fuel. So let's go check this out. So this is the Terminator X Stealth throttle body. Comes with 400-pound injectors stock, but these sitting here are 120 pounds. So we're going to pull the 400 pounds out of there, put these 120 pounds in there. So here we go. All right, so all we got to do is pop this bowl off. Call it a bowl. It's really like a fuel rail, and get right to the injectors there. There you go, now you can see the injectors and the connectors. Now for you sniper guys, they have the same connector as these, and they tend to come loose. So you may find one day that your sniper's only firing 3 injectors or 2 injectors. Pop the cover off and check these. Make sure it's fully seated. You can zip tie it on there to keep that, you can zip tie these around here to hold that clip to keep it in there. Now if you don't have a Terminator X Stealth or a Sniper Stealth, but you have a regular 4150 Sniper, you can take this cover off here, same thing on the other side. If you pop it off, you can see it's got the same injectors, the same connector. So swapping these out is basically the same thing. Now once you get those out of the way, I like to use this Dow Corning fuel lube. Put just a little bit on the O-rings and they'll slide back in real nice. No chance of pinching it. You can really use any kind of oil or something, lubricant. You just don't want to use transmission fluid or power steering fluid. Just take your cover and slide it back on. Now we just spin it around and do the other half. Well, there you go, simple as that. You can swap from the 100-pound injectors to 120 pound, gets you about 20% more fuel flow. Helps you with that E85. E85 typically takes about 30% more fuel volume for the same horsepower. So sniper guys, you can use this too. It's exactly the same like I showed you on the other throttle body. You can go to the 120 pound, or if you find that you have a bad injector, you can swap it out. I'll put a link in the description to a place to get replacement fuel injectors. Holley won't sell them. but we do at EFI System Pro. So I appreciate you sticking with me through this YouTube journey as I'm trying to figure this out. I have no idea what I'm doing, but we're getting there. So hopefully these videos will get a little better for you and get subscribers up. Like that smash button, or whatever the YouTubers say. We got to work that algorithm, get these videos going. The more people watch them, the more I can make. And hopefully we can get some information out there and maybe some entertainment. Got some other stuff in the works too. You definitely want to subscribe and see what's coming. See you next time.